Hello, my name is Lydia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform your fussy hair into temporary locks without all the tangles and all the breakage and stuff like that. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I actually washed my hair last night. So I washed my hair and applied some shea butter and just like put it up in the bun. So my hair is still damp right now. So that's what I'm working with. I feel like with this hairstyle, you need to start on frizzy hair. Like the frizzier your hair, the better your result will turn out. So I'm going to be doing horizontal parts. So like I'm going to be parting horizontally and I'll start to take sections one by one as I go. Doing medium size section. So this is how big the section I'm going to be doing it. So after taking out the section of hair you want to do, you divide that into 3 equal sections. 3 equal sections, and then you start to braid like how you normally braid your hair, like tightly at the root. You braid to about like half an inch, and then you start to braid loosely. Like if you watched my braid video, then you know that I braid loosely, but this is even looser than how I normally braid my hair. It's like very loose, and of course I'm going to like continue to like lightly detangle my hair as I go, but like I'm braiding really loose. So when I get to about like the end, it's not braid all the way down, then I just like twirl that part of the hair around my finger. Then I'll take some shea butter to help it stay, and like just apply it and twirl it around my finger. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like dreads. As it gets older, it's going to look even more like dreads. So that's basically how I do it. So I'm just going to just continue and just do the rest of it. When I'm done with each horizontal section, I'll bang that section just to help it lay flat and to help the ends set. So for the front, I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to part my hair. So I'm done locking all my hair, and I did like everything going backwards. So let me show you guys, this is what it looks like. Let me give you guys the back view. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.